Hello everyone, this is Martin at Makita. In this video we're going to introduce to you and show you our new DCE090. So this is our twin 18 volt 9-inch cordless disc cutter. So what I want to do is run you through some of the features on the machine. We're then going to have a look at the blades that can go onto the machine and then take it outside and put it through its paces. So the machine itself, obviously being cordless, it weighs around about 6 kilos, give or take. Starting from the back of the machine, we have our wraparound handle, so that keeps that backhand protected. You can see it's got a nice soft grip as well for comfort. We do have a trigger lock or a lock off button on the trigger. So on the trigger you cannot pull the trigger unless you press the button first, and that will allow you to pull the trigger. Now the trigger is not variable speed, however the machine does feature a soft start, so it will gradually build up the speed. On top of the handle we can see we've got our LED light button, so that will allow us to turn off the LED depending whether we want it on or off. On this side of the cover we can see we have a spring-loaded hook here, so if we pull the hook that will allow us to open the battery cover. So here we can sit our 2 batteries, and you can see where the cover locates onto the body of the machine, it's C-sectioned with a seal to stop any water ingressing into the batteries. You can see that just clips back on top nice and easy. Also here we've got our overload protection, so if we're using the machine and we're putting too much pressure on it and forcing the cut, this light here will illuminate to tell you that you are starting to overload the machine. If you continue to do that, it will cut the machine out and stop you from damaging the batteries or burning out the motor. On the top here we've also got our battery indicator, so we can press the button and that will illuminate to tell me how much power we've got left in our batteries. You can see we've got battery 1 and battery 2. We've then got a full wraparound handle for ease of use, so we could use it in the vertical position or with the side handle here now. We could also use it in a horizontal position. For the air intakes at the machine, you can see we've got an air intake at the back of the machine here, so it's well out of the way of the water. And underneath we've got then the exhaust, so the hot air is exhaust from underneath the machine. Moving to the front of the machine now, we've got our guard. The guard is in a fixed position as the position it's in now. And if you turn the machine round, on this side we've got a spindle lock on top for putting the accessory onto the machine. And then we've got our built-in dust suppression, which is a water system which is built into the machine. The pipe feeds through to the tap at the back, and it comes as standard with a standard hose fitting, which also comes supplied with the machine. Also supplied with the machine is the combi spanner, which you'll then fit onto the flange nut for allow you to change the accessory with the spindle lock on this side.